Christmas Day, so welcome to my house. I got my first Christmas tree. It's right there. There's my puppies. They are ready to open up their gifts. And this is just a Christmas tree I put up usually for me. I got it with my little leopard print. I don't know if you can see that. And just gold. So I got I picked out my theme. And I went with that. So, and in here, I just got all of the things that my kids have made throughout the year. There's a little snowman. And then I just put up these little candles that kind of you turn on and they light up like that. I thought that was cute. And then just some regular decorations. And then my little stocking holders. So let's go into the big room. And right here, I don't know if you can see, that's my dining room table. And that is just some basic decorations with some poinsettias and my chargers and just candles. And again, I got these little candles that turn on. So let's go in the big room. Here's my little table we eat at every day. And there's Santa. And this is just my dining room table. And we are ready to open up the gifts underneath the tree. And here's my tree. It's just I would call a country theme tree. I kind of put everything on it. All my little glass bulbs. And I love these little decorations right here. These are decorations that my kids made when they were small. And I got decorations when my granddaughter was born, Christina. And just some stuff that we picked up throughout the years. So now it's time to open up the gifts. So I will see you guys later, because this is all you get. From mine to yours, Merry Christmas.